Look at me now. Sunset it goes. Look at me now. Free show. Look at me.
Hey Foxies, this is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. And if you're returning, welcome back, you guys. So today we're going to be doing an audio voiceover on the Thirsty Palette. So like always, you guys, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So if y'all are ready to see how this Thirsty Palette review did, y'all make sure to stay tuned. So you guys, before I get into this Thirsty review, I just want to say that I've been having these palettes, and I know that all these reviews are like so overdone, or overweighted, but I get it, you guys. I didn't have brushes at the time, and now that I have brushes, I'm going to be doing a review on these palettes that I haven't touched. I've swatched some of them just because they're so beautiful, but if I'm being honest, you guys, I haven't played with them. So I'm really excited. Like I said, Jeffree Star never fails to impress me with these freaking mirrors. Oh my god, like I love that. So yeah, I really love the colors, you guys. These colors are so beautiful, so bright. This is summer. This is screaming summer to me right now, and I feel like I haven't done a summer look, and I've been in summer for a minute, and yeah, that's how I feel. I basically just like, I haven't done it. So now that I'm able to finally put my hands on these palettes, we're gonna dive straight into this look. So real quick, before I get into this look, I want to add that all these palettes are bought by either myself or my boyfriend, and so yeah, I don't get any like PR or anything like that, but I want to. So Jeffree, need. So yes, I would love, like, so beautiful. So y'all already know that before I go in with some eyeshadows, I set my eye with the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear from MAC. I love this stuff, so good. So now just taking the JH32 and the color Itch. Go off, Jeffree. I love these names because they're so just him. Need. I'm taking that all over the lid. And I want to say sorry about the AC in the background. I really hate it. I'm going to start turning it off during my videos, but it's going to be hot. It's coming out a little bit more peach, but like I said, this is a summer look, so I'm here for it. To be honest, I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for. I'm just going for it. So I'm loving the way that's looking already. I really like that color. By the way, you guys, I took the JH33, and that's what I took Quench on. That is so beautiful. It looks like the sunset. Sunset realness. I'm here for it. I'm already loving the way this is looking. I also want to add that I love the way these blend together. The formula together blends so beautifully. I've used other eyeshadows that when they're blended with other formulas or other eyeshadow pigments, they end up losing pigment or having patchiness, and it's just not a cute look. I'm going to be taking the JH40 and Splash. Oh my god. So pretty. I'm actually going to mix Submerge in it just because I want it to be a brighter blue. So I'm just going to be packing Submerge in this outer corner. just to really deepen that up. The same to the other eye. I brought y'all in a little closer so y'all could see the color a little better. Going back in with Submerge and just gonna be packing that onto the outside like I did to the other side. By the way, you guys, I just want to say that I appreciate whoever really takes the time out of their day to watch my videos. I put a lot of energy and a lot of time into them, which I don't mind because I genuinely love making videos for y'all. But I want y'all to know that I appreciate the time that y'all take out of y'all's day to come watch my videos. Thank you. Oh, I lost a lot of the pink, so I'm gonna go back in with the pink just to blend that together. I know this is looking hella crazy right now, you guys. Please, like, trust the process. So now on this same JH40, I'm gonna be going back in with Itch and blending that blue into that orange. Just like diffusing the color a little bit, giving it more blend. And this is creating kind of like a purple now, and I'm still liking it a lot. Like I said, I love the way these colors blend together so much. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep adding. Now again with Itch on the other side. So cleaning that JH40 and going back in with Quench. Just to add more dimension. I love going back and adding more and more color just so that way the blend is just so beautiful. And you actually have transition in between your shades, and it's just so pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna try to cut it like I always do, but I mean, it just never goes well for me once I cut it.
You know what? No. Well.
But we're here, trying again. I'll eventually get it down, I promise.
Thousand years later.
So you guys, I went to go get the mini breaker because I know that there is this color in here that I was just like, I want to use it. I'm dying to use it. If y'all want a tutorial on this little mini breaker, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I wanted to use Oral because just, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. Let me show y'all. I have so many swatches on my hands. And it still stands out. Like, it's just like this holographic purple, blue.
Oh my god! Wow!
So now taking the JH41 and taking Oral. Love that. And adding that all to the lid. All that. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, this is what I wanted in my life. I just didn't know I needed it, but I needed it. I'm not even having to spray the pigment for the pigments to show up. Ever. I love Jeffree. Love these palettes. Need. Doing the same with oral to the other side. Oh my god, I wish y'all could see this in person. With the JH40, I grabbed Submerge and Splash and I mixed them together a little bit, and now I'm just going to be deepening up this outer corner with some blue. Bringing that in close to the lash line. And blending it out. I'm never disappointed with the shades and how they blend, like, ever. So if you're ever into or wanting to buy a high-end eyeshadows, I would definitely say get you some Jeffree eyeshadows, you guys, because honestly you can't go wrong with them. You really can't. And for the price, like, it's actually a really good deal. So now I'm going to be taking Submerge on the JH43 and going to be running that under my waterline. Now I'm taking Itch and blending that out with Submerge like I did with the top. Alright, and now cleaning it off again. And now on a clean brush, also taking Quench and gonna blend that out. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup off camera and just added these cute little gems that I had from Raving. That's pretty much the full look, you guys. Overall, like always, Jeffree Star never fails to impress me with the eyeshadows. So always Fox approved, you guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Y'all make sure to comment, leave a like and a comment, and let me know what y'all thought and if y'all have any tips and tricks for me. With that being said, you guys, love y'all, take care, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.